Ma'am, page number
113. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Good morning. So we will wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then we will start our class. Let everyone join. We are 30 only, including 2 teachers. It means 28 students have joined till now. Let everyone join the class and then we will start the class. Till that, you should be ready with your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, eraser, and listen the instructions carefully. This is very nice topic today which we are going to start and which is very interesting also. You will also enjoy it.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yeah, whenever I will instruct you to write, you will write.
Okay.
Okay, when I am explaining, you have to understand. Okay, now I will start my class. On page number 113, it is given some friends are playing with the number cards. Can you see in your textbook? I will show you the page. This page is showing in your textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
friends are playing with the number cards. See how they add. First, left side, some numbers are there and some numbers are true. When we move from right side, some numbers are there. So with this pattern, with this rule, they are also creating something. Can you see the rule which gives us the same sum each time? We get the same sum when we add the two numbers. If they have taken one number from the left side and one number from the right side. So which is number to the left side? First number which is towards the left side. Can you all tell me please?
Ma'am, 11.
11. And which number is towards the right
16.
side?
16.
So,
16.
yes, 16. Can you mute your mic, please? So, when they have taken one number from the left side and one number from the right side, when they have added, they got 11 plus 16 is 27. Then again, they found a one trick more. Again, they shifted from next number from the left side and the next number from the right side means 12 and 15. Again, it is 27. Then again, they have taken one more number from the left side and one number from the right side means 13 plus 14. Again, 27. So this is a magic rule of pattern. Now, I will tell you to select any 4 to 5 numbers. You will select, okay, and you select any 4 numbers. Trisha, can you select, write any 4 numbers in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write any 4 numbers in the chat box. Only Trisha will write. And we all will follow the Trisha's pattern. Trisha, write fast, please. Okay, any 4 numbers I told, Trisha?
Trisha या Pisha?
Trisha.
Remember Prisha.
Twisha, please write 4 numbers. Oh. Prisha, you also write any 4 numbers.
She has written.
No, she has written the rule, but she has to write 4 numbers. Any 4 numbers. Put a space and wait. Prisha, write one number, that put a space, then write another number, put a space, and then we will understand the rule. This way, right? Yeah. Prisha has written 20, 21, 22, and 23. Now stop writing, everyone. Chat box is closed. So now you can see Prisha has written 20, 21, 22, and 23. If we take one number from the left and one number from the right, now I'm going to open my chat box. You have to take the number which Prisha has written, write it in your notebook. 20, 21, 22, 23. Write everyone in your notebook these numbers which Prisha has written. And then follow the rule which I am explaining you. Take one number from the left and one number from the right and add them and find the total and tell me in the text, just chat box. 20 plus 23 is 43. Very good. And now again take the one number from the left and again take the one number from the right. Next number from the right and next number from the left. 43. So what have you observed when you are adding with this rule the numbers? Can you find that number pattern is formed? Yes. When you are adding these numbers, you are getting the total same. This way.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this way, one question is also given. Now I am going to present my screen. Can you all see? Yes or no, children? Yes. Now, one question is given down in your textbooks. You have to complete that question. Write this number 21, 22, 23, 24. And with these 4 numbers, you form this pattern. 21 plus 24, one number from the left and one number from the right. When you add them, you get 45. And when you again take the one number from the left and number one from the right, when you add these numbers also, you will again get the total same. So this way also you can play the games with your friends, with your family members. You can tell them select any 4 numbers. Now add them and you will tell them now you will get the same answer. This way you can play the number pattern with your friends and family members. Am I clear? Lamha, you want to try this pattern game?
What, ma'am?
You want to try to do this pattern game?
You want to try? Ma'am, in the book?
No, in the chat box, the way Prisha has told me, selected any 4 numbers. Can you select any 4 numbers? Write in the chat box. Any
Ma'am,
4
I have
numbers.
to write.
Yeah, you have to write, Lamha. Any 4
Ma'am,
numbers.
chat isn't available.
Okay, wait, I will open this. Now it is available.
So I have to write any 4 numbers and I have to write the answer itself.
No, you don't have to write the answer. You write any 4 numbers.
Ma'am, after Rama, can I write? Can I do this?
Wait. Lama, you have written, Lama, you have written 3 numbers, 5, 7, 5.
Yes.
I told 4 numbers.
Okay.
Vansh Balchandani, wait a minute, my dear. Anushka, I'm asking with Lamha only. Lama has written 5, 7, 5, 7, right? Any 4 numbers she has written and she has repeated also. So it's her choice that she has repeated. Now, if we want to check the number pattern on this, then we take one number from the left and one number from the right. 5 plus 7 is what, Lamha?
What am 5? It's 12.
Then again, shift to the next left number and shift to the next right number and add them. What is the answer?
12.
Again, 12. Is this a really magic?
Yes.
And can I try?
Okay,
Now can I try?
we have more questions. I will ask Vivan. Okay. Now turn your page. Everyone has done completed page number 113. Show me thumbs up. Completed? Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
turn
Yes,
the page.
ma'am.
Turn the page. Pattern in addition. Now, when you add these numbers, here also, when you add the numbers in the sequence, there also you will find some patterns. So, in first, it is given. I'll present my screen and I will show you. My screen is visible, Vihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In this addition pattern, number is given 1, 2, 3. So when you add these numbers, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Then again, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. Then when you shift this, see here also you can see pattern 1, 2, 3 they have taken. Then they have skipped one number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 5. This way they have taken. When they have added these numbers, when you see the pattern, there is a skip counting of 3 numbers 6, 9, 12. Am I clear to you all? Till here, am I clear to you all? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Can I extend now?
ma'am.
Okay. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 numbers are taken. And when you add these 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Then in the next line, we have taken from 2. We have started from 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So what have you observed when we are getting the total? What have you observed here, children?
Ma'am, I have observed something.
Yeah, Ayush, can you please tell me what you have observed here?
In the top line, the
Mhm.
last number, like in this pattern, the
Mhm.
fourth number,
Yes.
fourth is on the top line,
Mhm.
and the totals are skipping by that number.
Yeah. Yeah, if there are 3 total numbers, so the skip counting is by 3. If there are 4 total numbers, so what we will get total?
Ma'am.
Wait a minute, Vihan. Yes, Ayush, can you complete it?
Yeah, ma'am. There are like 2. If there are 4 boxes,
Mm-hmm.
then skip counting by 4. And also, one more thing.
Yeah.
The last number, like in 1, 2, 3, like in the starting, on the toppest line also,
Mm-hmm.
the topmost line,
Mm-hmm.
the last number
Mm.
is the same number that it's skip counting.
Okay. Yes, this
1,
one. Like
3.
skip counting by 4. Here skip counting by 3, right?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. And now here's a task for you all to complete the page which is given down in your textbook. Now you try to make such a pattern with 5 numbers in order. First take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please mute your mic, otherwise my voice will echo and you will face the difficulty. Daria, are you understanding what I am explaining? What is there in your mouth? Please take it out. Don't put such things in your mouth. Yeah. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you add, what you will get, please write in the chat box.
15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me.
15.
Yeah. Now let's see. It's 15. Then now skip one number from the beginning and start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will get, children? Can you see here in my
20.
page? 20. Then again you skip one and start counting from 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and add them. What will be the total?
25.
25. Vivan, what you have observed here in the answer?
Ma'am, we are skip counting by 5. 5, 15,
Yes,
20,
and
25,
we can
30,
say
35,
that
40.
each number is increasing by 5 also. Yes. Why by 5 only?
Yes.
Because we are writing your total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. And we are skipping one number from the beginning and then we add and then we get the answer. Am I clear with this number pattern?
Yes.
Will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
complete this, children, in your textbook? Yes. Is it
Ma'am.
easy?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good. Mohit, can you explain me what is your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, and how you write to make such pattern 5 number? For we have to write
Ma'am, done.
the one like this.
What you have written?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to start by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again we have to start by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then start with 4, 5, 6,
So what
7,
have you
8. Then
observed? What is the total of these numbers are coming?
first and the 15. This is 5. This is multiplication of 5.
Yeah, you can say the multiples of 5 also. You can say the skip counting by 5 also. So it is with 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Is this way you are getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will explain me why there is a skip count of 5 is coming? Ayush, will you try?
Ma'am, I told like there are 5 boxes,
Yes,
right?
that's
Like
why.
1, and the last number in the topmost.
Yes. Who will explain? Arav Patel, will you explain me why it is coming? Skip count of 5. Why it was coming? Skip count of 3 and 4 in the upper numbers.
Then because it was keep count of 5.
But why?
And because we have to skip 5, 5.
No, not this way. You have to explain me the clear way why. Prisha, will you explain me why? Prisha,
Because the numbers are like that.
what numbers are like that? Means? Ariman, will you explain me why it is coming?
It's adding, so it's different.
Ariman, will you explain me? Ariman has left. Next. I will ask. Anushka is there? Anushka? Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Will you try to explain me why it is like this? That why in the first pattern we got skip count of 3. Then we got skip count of 4. Then we got skip count of 5. Why it is happening? Who will explain me? Please write your name in the chat box. Then I will ask with that child. Priya? Priya, please explain me why it is like this.
Ma'am, because we add one number more. Like if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sum will extend because 6 is
Ariman, you log out and log in again. Children, my voice is breaking.
No, ma'am.
So Ariman, you log out and log in again. Yes, Prisha. Yes, Priya.
So it goes the number extends. So when like the first number is 1 and if we do more, the last number when we go up, then it will be 6. So if we add 1 and 5, it becomes 6. And the number will go up. So if we add 2 plus 2
See, I will also explain you. Dharya, you try first and then I will explain. Dharya, you tell me why it is happening that in the first pattern we have observed that there is the number, every number is increasing by 3. Yes.
Look, when we are adding, so then first I started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it got 16. So it's so in the second line it's skipping one. Means now one is not coming. So the answer is increasing by 5.
Now I will tell you one more thing, that in the first pattern, have you observed that we have taken only 3 numbers and we have added? That's why the skip counting is coming with the 3 numbers, right? And then in the second pattern, we have taken how many numbers? 4. Second number, 4. Second pattern, which is already done for you. 4 numbers, right? That is why the skip counting is with 4 numbers. And in the third pattern, we are taking 5 numbers. Yes, have you observed? And when, if I say you take 6 numbers, so there you will observe what, children?
Ma'am, 6 are being added.
Yeah, so skip counting by 6. You will see the pattern. Okay. In the first pattern, it's 6, 9, 12. Means it's skip count by 3s. In the second pattern, it's 10, 14, 18. Means skip count by 4s. And in the third pattern, which is you are taking 5 numbers, means it will be skip count by 5. And when you take 6 numbers, you will observe that you will get this skip count by 6. Am I clear to you all till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, one more topic which we are going to do today is coding and decoding. It's very interesting topic. What do you mean by the word coding? Yes, Dharya. Yes, Vihan. What do you mean by the word coding? There are 2 words in the sentence. We are going to learn coding and decoding. Means we are going to learn today 2 things. So what do you mean by the word coding? Yes, Aryaman.
Ma'am,
Aryaman, tell me.
Coding is that we code and make games and computer understand that language. Then we do that, and in our screen that we can see that we have code that blocks and make a game and apps.
You are clear. You are good that you know that coding is the language. Please mute your mics, otherwise my voice will echo.
I do coding every day. I do games every
Yes,
day.
very good. So I'll tell you the clear definition. The easy meaning of coding is when we code something, you write the secret thing for someone, right? Secret message.
Ma'am, like password.
Yeah, like password also you can say. When you are coding something, when you are writing in the secret way, that is called coding. And what do you mean by the word decoding, children? What do you mean by the word decoding? Yes, Lamha.
Ma'am, it is very simple. It does not has any coding.
Okay. Who else will try? What do you mean by the word coding? Sorry, decoding. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, coding is making that to a code, but decoding is making a code to the letter, like alphabets.
No, what you have said, what is coding?
Ma'am, coding is like you making a secret message, and decoding.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Wait a minute, yes, wait.
You're having the secret message and you're decoding it. Means you are removing and knowing what have we written.
Yes, good. Yes, Yash, what you were saying? Yes, tell me, then I will start. Ekans, what do you understand?
Ma'am, decoding means readable form.
Yes, decoding means readable form. Yes, Ekans, you tell me, what do you understand by the word coding?
Ma'am, coding means to
Mohit, mute your mic, please. Without asking me, you will not unmute your mic, please. Yes, tell me. Ekansh?
Coding means to make apps and games.
No, it is in computers to make apps and games, and the computer understand the coding language. But what do you understand by the simple word code?
Ma'am, password.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Prisha. Password also okay. Yes, Prisha.
So this coding is alphabet set and the numbers.
No, I am asking the simple word of code. Meaning of code.
Ma'am,
Code as
Yes,
some
Rudra,
number
wait.
type of.
Yes, there a password.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
ma'am,
I can say what is decoding.
You?
I can say decoding with an example.
Okay. Can you please say code decoding with the example, Rudra.
Ma'am, for example, if coding one means A,
So you please
so
mute. One.
one means A. So in decoding, we will write A, and A means one, and in coding we will write one, and in coding it means A.
Yes. So coding means when you are writing something in a secret messages, it's we are writing in the code. The way you are saying password, right? And when you open this password and making into the readable form and understanding form, it's called decoding. Have you understood the meaning of coding and decoding? To find the meaning of the secret message is called decoding. And to write the message in the secret form is called coding. Children, yes or no? You understood or no?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say about coding?
Migdad, sit properly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say for coding?
Yes, please, Lama.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, coding is a thing which is a secret password or something. It is only conversating between two people or more than two people.
Oh, very
I
good.
can give example of Anaisha, Anamika, and the 2-3 more friends. So if she has written hi, if he has written hi, she will return.
Migdad, sit properly.
So ma'am, she will write 8, which is 8. So she will write first 8, and then she will write 9, means hi.
Yes.
So that's
So
how they
you
can
know,
send
yeah.
messages.
So this is called the coding when you are writing message in the code form, secret form. It's called coding. And when you are writing, open that secret form in the meaningful way, that is called decoding. Am I clear with coding and decoding with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now make that. I am again telling you this is the third time that's it properly.
Ma'am, I can't understand the coding and decoding.
Samriddhi, coding means when you are writing something in a secret message. Okay. And secret, how you write in the secret way, that I will explain you. But if something is written in the secret way, secret messages, that is called coding. And when you read it, when you solve that coding, it's the decoding. Okay. Samriddhi, you will better understand when I will explain you the examples. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When you go to the shop, right? When you go to purchase something, please mute your mics, everyone. It's my request. Vihan, I will come home and I mute your mic. Yes, when you go for shopping, right? Some shopping centers, they directly write the price of the product. But some places, they write the code number of that product. Why they write the code number on that product? Because they want that no one should read it. And sometimes have you observed that shopkeepers, they in between also talk in code language? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. In cartoon also.
Yes, they speak in code language. So that they only will know about what they are talking, and another third person should not know what they are talking about. That is why this code, please stop what you are doing, Vivan.
Ma'am, I have done a secret code. Means in his hair I have written a secret code and I have scribbled it.
Okay.
Means no one can understand it.
Yes. So that is the reason we are learning the coding. So when you grow, right, when you give some competition exams, there also you have to do the reasoning part. Reasoning is the mental ability, mental mathematics. There you have to do the coding and decoding also. That is why we are training you from starting. I hope you have learned this coding and decoding in the grade 3 also. Some part of coding and decoding was there in the grade 3 also. Some part, not much part.
Yes, it was there.
Yes, it was there, Dharya? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. There was
Yes, that is why we are training you to learn coding and decoding, because it will help you when you grow big and you give some competition exams. There you will need to give this coding and decoding also. Right. Now, in your textbook, I will open the page number 115. It's written, Yamini, explain the rule. See, one more thing I want to tell you. Coding, you can code the anything. Means you want to write a secret message. That message you can write in the numbers also. You can write in the alphabets also. You can write with the signs and symbols also. You can use plus, minus, arrow sign, any sign for your code also. If you want to write any secret message to your friend and you want that nobody will read this, only your friend will understand, you can use your any code language. Code language can be in the signs and symbols. Code language can be in numbers, and code language can be in alphabets. Am I clear to you all till here? Yes. Now you children have to, what you have to do is, I will present my screen and I will tell you to write this in your notebooks. Wait a minute. You children write these. Yeah. You children write these alphabets with their numbers in your notebook. A is having number 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is having 8 number, I 9.
Ma'am, in notebook.
Yeah, in notebook. Please write A to Z all the alphabets, and with the alphabets opposite to the alphabet, write their original number. Because you all know that English alphabets have 26 letters. And 26 letters have their own numbers. A is on number 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4.
But this is given in the textbook also, right?
It's complete. It is not given. You have to complete. You complete in the textbook. No worries. It is given like this in the textbook, right?
Yeah, but we have to complete in the textbook only or textbook?
Do one thing, complete in the textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete it fast.
And I have completed.
Complete it fast.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Now, those who have completed, I am giving them some words. Wait a minute. Yeah. Can you all see some numbers are written here?
Oh, yes,
Yes or no? 983, 423, 613, 723. Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, please mute your mics. Yes. 983. With using these numbers, can you form can you decode it? It is written in code 983. Now, can you decode this number and found the meaningful word for this and write in the chat box?
No, ma'am. I can't understand. We have to write
Which child is this saying that I can't understand? With that.
Ma'am, please open the chat box.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, do we have to write that in notebook?
Yes. Because everyone's mic is on. That's why my voice is echoing. Yes, children. First, my chat box is open. First number is 923. Migdad, have you written the numbers with the alphabets? Migdad? Yes. Now, if I say the number code is 983, can you make a meaningful word with this? What is the letter given on page, on number 9? What is given?
Number 9 I is given. I.
Wait. 983.
Yes, ma'am. Number 9 I is given.
Okay, 8 is given. 8 is for?
H. H is for H. And 3 is for C.
Okay.
IHC. What is IHC now?
What is at the number 4?
Sit.
Ma'am, D. 4 is at how's 983 sit? Ma'am, 4 is at D.
Wait. My dear, wait. Mute your mics first. Mute your mic. Okay. Now, what we will do now, you have to tell me any word, numbers. I will stop my presenting. You have to tell me any word which is meaningful with the code. Yes, Vivan, we start with you. Any meaningful 3-letter word with a code. You can use pat. 3-letter words you all know, right? Sit, bat, pat, cat, rat. 3-letter words only we are starting today. So can you tell me any 3-letter meaningful word with a code? Vivan, write in the chat box. Write in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if you know the answer with the code and with the letter number. Write the 3-letter word with their codes in the chat box. Please start writing.
And I have written.
Everyone write. Yeah, please, there.
Okay. So,
Anushka, please write the 3-letter word also along with it. Ayush has written cat and the code of cat is 3120. Anushka, yes, Vivan has written VIP. So what is the code of VIP? 999.
yes, ma'am.
No. Yes. Gunav has written gun and G for 6. Gunav, what is the code of 1? 1 is A. Yes, bad. He has written, Ayansh has written rat. 1, 2, 3. Ayansh, rat, how rat? Rat alphabet is, R is coming on which number? Rudra Mangokia has written 935 eyes. Prisha has written 8120 hat. Yes, you have to make the codes of 3-letter words and write the 3-letter word. Write any 5 3-letter words with their codes and write them in your notebook also. Write them in your notebooks also. Write any 5 3-letter words with their codes. And see, make the codes from the numbers which you have made the table in your textbook. Ashvi has made ag 557. Ashvi, just check.
Then Navi,
If
it's
C
okay.
is 5, then G is. Prisha has written 6, 19, 9, 24. Yes, sat. Vivan, you have written 22, 9, 16 VIP. Yes, right. Any 5 3-letter words with their codes in your notebook. Faster.
And time is up.
Yeah, I know.
Bye, ma'am.
No, bye. Please complete this first.
Ma'am, I've written the 5 in my notebook. Shall I write in the chat box?
Yeah, please write.
And what do we have to complete?
5 3-letter words with the codes.
Ma'am, I've written.
Who have written?
Migdad.
Okay. Have you completed? Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written 2.
But write 3 more. I am saying 5.
Ma'am, 5 code of 3 letters.
5 3-letter words with their codes. Yes, make that. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I tell. What?
Make that. Please speak.
What?
Please tell me what you have written in your notebook.
Ma'am,
Can I go? I have done with
20.
Please write in the chat box also.
Ma'am, I've written in the chat box.
Make that you have written.
Yes, ma'am, I've
Let
written.
me check what he has written. Rat 18 1
Ma'am, wait.
20. Okay. You have written only one. Make that. Write more. And we will continue this.
Copied mine.
Who has copied?
Rahil.
Rahel, you write your own words with their codes.
I'm
So
just
this
2 minutes.
way
I'm
when
just
you have to-
sending it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I've written.
Yeah, very good. In this way, if you have to talk about red and you don't want to explain and tell anyone that you are talking about red, you can talk with the codes also. Yes or no? Vivan, can you tell me what is the code for red? Vivan Patel, unmute your mic and speak.
Ma'am, do I write my word again?
Yes.
Ma'am, I've written mine on.
Vivan Patel, I'm asking from you.
Ma'am, I've written. Ma'am, have you checked mine?
Your mic is mute. So you please answer me.
Ma'am, I have also written.
Yes, eat, fat, very good. VIP, gun.
Hello?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also written.
Yeah, Migdad have also written.
Ma'am, so can I leave?
Yes. Rudra Mangokia, very good. He has
Bye, ma'am.
written cat, gun, ice, dog, fat with their codes. So, what means how these codes have helped you to learn? When you want to talk about these words in front of anyone and you don't want to disclose them that you are talking about these things, so you can talk in the codes with your known person.
Rat.
Yes or no, children?
18,
Hmm?
18, 120. Ma'am,
Yes.
because I am writing, if I on my mic, so I have written the codes, they will delete and I have to write one more time.
Okay, okay, no problem. So have you understood, children?
Ma'am, I have written my 5 words.
Tomorrow we will continue
Can you
this
see?
coding and decoding again in our class. And day after tomorrow on Wednesday is your CET of this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, wait, I will
Okay,
see. Wait.
ma'am.